Okay, so CDS has been in existence now for over 40 years. We've got a various array of technical people there where we basically design bespoke equipment for all different thermal heat processes, environmental control systems for different industries such as concrete, ceramics, metals, temperatures ranging from very minimum 30 degrees C up to a very high range of 1750 degrees C. We really start from the very basics where we work with the customers, see exactly what we need, and then come up with a joint combined effort to make sure that the customer's happy with what they're getting from us. So yeah, we've got a lot of experience there, and long may it continue.